Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to automatically tag new leads in GoHighLevel. I have already created a simple website contact form using the GoHighLevel form builder. Now whenever someone submits this form, I want GoHighLevel to automatically label them as a website lead. This makes it easier to identify website leads and use them later in automations, emails and follow-ups. To do that, we will create a simple workflow. Go to automation and click create workflow. Choose start from scratch and give your workflow a name. I will call mine website contact workflow. Next, click add new trigger and select form submitted. Now click add filters. Choose forms and select your website contact form. Click save trigger. Next, click the plus icon and select add contact tag. Create a new tag called website lead. Click save action. Now publish the workflow. Let's test it. I will submit my website contact form with some sample information. After submitting the form, go to contacts. As you can see, the contact has been created successfully and the website lead tag has been added automatically. This confirms that our workflow is working correctly, and that's it for this video. If you would like to try GoHighLevel for yourself, I have left my affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching.